What's the meaning of arbitrary? Arbitrary. Arbitrary.
Arbitrary. Arbitrary. The word arbitrary refers to something that is based on random choice or personal whim, rather than any reason or system. It suggests that there is no justification or rational basis for a decision or action, and that it is therefore capricious or unfair. When something is described as arbitrary, it implies a lack of objective criteria or logical consistency. In short, arbitrary means that something is determined by chance or personal preference, rather than by any objective standard or principle.